Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now: the rise of artificial intelligence in our legal systems. Is this the dawn of a new era of justice, or are we heading towards a dystopian future run by algorithms? Let's find out. For centuries, the image of justice has been a blindfolded lady holding a set of scales, symbolizing impartiality. But we all know human justice isn't perfect. It can be slow, incredibly expensive, and unfortunately, prone to human biases. This is where AI is stepping in, promising to revolutionize the entire legal landscape. Think about it: AI can sift through millions of pages of legal documents, case law, and evidence in a matter of seconds. This is a task that would take a team of human lawyers weeks or even months. This incredible speed is already transforming legal research. Tools like raw intelligence, often called the world's first AI attorney, can analyze legal questions and provide highly relevant citations and case summaries almost instantly. This doesn't just save time, it saves money. By automating these labor-intensive tasks, legal firms can reduce billable hours, which could make legal services more affordable for the average person. Imagine a world where getting legal advice isn't a luxury, but something accessible to everyone. Another major area where AI is making waves is in predictive justice. In the United States, for example, some jurisdictions use AI-powered tools to assess the risk of a defendant reoffending. These algorithms analyze various data points, like criminal history, age, and employment status, to generate a risk score. This score can then inform decisions about bail, sentencing, and parole. The goal is to make these crucial decisions based on data, not just a judge's gut feeling, potentially leading to more consistent and fair outcomes. Across the pond in the UK, AI is being used in similar ways. The Serious Fraud Office has used AI to analyze millions of documents in complex fraud cases, helping them to find the digital smoking gun much faster. Online dispute resolution platforms are also on the rise, using AI chatbots to guide people through small claims and civil disputes without ever needing to step into a courtroom. This is a huge step towards making justice more accessible, especially for everyday issues like a dispute with a landlord or a problem with a purchased product. Globally, countries are experimenting with AI in their legal frameworks. Estonia, a pioneer in digital governance, is even exploring the idea of an AI robot judge to handle small claims court cases. The idea is to clear backlogs and provide citizens with swift resolutions. This isn't about replacing judges in complex criminal trials, but about using technology to handle high-volume, low-complexity cases efficiently. But hold on, before we hand over the gavel to our new robot overlords, we need to talk about the serious ethical challenges. This is where the story gets complicated. The biggest concern is bias. If an AI is trained on historical legal data, and that data reflects past human biases, whether racial, gender, or socioeconomic, the AI will learn and perpetuate those same biases. Instead of eliminating bias, it could just automate it on a massive scale. This has already been a real-world problem. ProPublica's famous investigation into a risk assessment tool used in the US found that the algorithm was disproportionately likely to flag black defendants as future criminals at almost twice the rate as white defendants. This raises a fundamental question: can we truly create a fair AI if the data we feed it comes from an imperfect, biased world? Then there's the issue of the black box. Many advanced AI systems, particularly deep learning models, are incredibly complex. We can see the input and the output, but we can't always understand the reasoning process in between. How can a defendant challenge a decision if they don't know how it was made? This lack of transparency is a direct challenge to the legal principle of the right to an explanation. Justice can't be a mystery. And who is accountable when an AI gets it wrong? Is it the software developer who wrote the code? The judge who used the tool? The institution that deployed it? Establishing clear lines of accountability is a legal and ethical minefield that we are only just beginning to navigate. Without accountability, there is no trust, and without trust, the entire system falls apart. So, what's the path forward? It's not about banning AI from the legal world, but about integrating it responsibly. We need robust regulations and oversight. AI systems used in justice must be transparent, explainable, and constantly audited for bias. We need a human-in-the-loop approach, where AI serves as a powerful tool to assist human legal professionals, not replace their judgment, empathy, and ethical reasoning. AI can help lawyers become more efficient, it can help judges make more informed decisions, and it can help the public access justice more easily. The potential to reduce backlogs, lower costs, and analyze evidence on a scale never before possible is undeniable. The key is to harness this power while building in safeguards to protect our fundamental rights to fairness, accountability, and transparency. The future of law isn't a battle of humans versus machines. It's about finding the right partnership between human intelligence and artificial intelligence to build a legal system that is truly more just, efficient, and accessible for everyone. It's a massive challenge, but one we must get right. What do you think? Are you optimistic about AI in the courtroom, or how's the risk of algorithmic bias worrying you more? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm really curious to hear your perspective on this. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.